Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Today we're making a Passion Fruit Daquiri. What's that, Mookie? Oh, I'm glad you asked. The original Daiquiri was actually invented in Cuba, and it was simply just lime juice, sugar, and rum. And then all the Americanized strawberry and banana daiquiris came a little later. All right, so we're gonna get started on my passion fruit daiquiri. So I'm going to shake this up in my cocktail shaker. So I'm going to put a little ice. And I have 2 ounces of passion fruit nectar. That's okay, Mookie. And then we got 1 ounce of white rum. And I have some passion fruit liqueur. Mookie likes that. All right, so we're just gonna do a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit liqueur. Where are you going, Mookie? And we got a 1/2 ounce of triple sec. That's an orange flavored liqueur, and it goes in a lot of daiquiris and margaritas and whatnot. It gives it that little orange tang. All right. And let's give that a shake up. And I got a nice daiquiri glass. And I'm gonna double strain that today. No dirty dumping today, Mookie. Mookie knows all about dirty dumping. Alrighty, and I happen to have a slice of fresh passion fruit, which was extremely hard to obtain. And that, my friends, is a passion fruit daiquiri. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.